Things are full tilt at OSY. All of the new equipment has arrived and everyone is hard at work getting it in tip-top shape.
We got our stuff back to our yard. We got oodles of equipment sitting in our yard now with 47 new tanks that we just purchased. A few of them are out on rent, but most of them are back in our yard. And then we already had some of our own fleet sitting in the yard. So when the guys walk out the shop door, it's a little overwhelming. You got just tanks everywhere. You got parts and other pieces of equipment everywhere. It looks like a ton of work. We got everybody just going, working their bags off, and they are not stopping. They will not cheat you on effort. They might cheat on a paternity test, but they will not cheat on effort.